another video. Today we're not going to be unboxing an autosave Henry from 2014, but what we are going to be unboxing is something called a MAXVAX. Now it's not related to VAX in any way, instead it's actually related to pneumatic, so you know, it's quite cool. I know there's only 2 other collectors that have one of these, well, one other collector has one of these, and that's Ryan, whose channel is Pneumatic 10. So if you haven't already, please go and subscribe to Ryan's channel. Very good. He's got loads and loads of pneumatics, loads of nice pneumatics that I love. You know, yeah. So in here it should be a MAXVAX. Now I believe these were made by Pneumatic for another firm, MAXVAX Limited or whatever it is. So I saw this on eBay. It was extremely cheap. It cost me £5 plus £15 postage, and yet that looks really cool. So first off, out the box we have 2 pneumatic wands, which look to be 90s or maybe late 80s. Actually no, they're 90s wands they are. So got two of those. This has got a pack of open pneumatic trackets with it. It has got also a pack, well, 2 pneumatic NVM 1C-2 bags with it. It's got a very distorted crevice tool. Yeah, that is very distorted. That's had something sitting on that. Unless it's meant to be like that. So there's that. They've left the hose on for some reason. We've got a pneumatic dusting brush, could do with another one of those. Those are pneumatic tools. We've got another crevice tool, pneumatic crevice tool with an adapter tool, which is very, very worn down. We have a pneumatic stair tool, which these tools I don't think are original to this. We have the bent end, which is a pneumatic one of the 90s, early 2000s style. We have this very weird floor tool, which looks really small on camera, but it's actually quite big in person, so that might be original, it might not. But yeah, that looks quite good actually. So yeah, it's got twin lint pickers on it, that might be original. And then yeah, we have the main machine, which actually is quite small. So there we go, there it is. Let's just move all the packaging out of the way. So yeah, here is the MAXVAX. So it has got wheels on it. It didn't look like it had wheels on it, but it does have wheels. So we've got 3 VAX 121 style casters on the bottom. And it's all plastic. Now it did look metal. I know I was talking to Adam as well, and he said to me this might have been pneumatics, one of pneumatic's first injection moulded machines, which might actually be true because it does look did look metal, but it is very plasticky. So yeah, so we've got the cable. It's very, very small. We've got underneath the motor unit. Oh, that's very loose. There's 4 bolts on the top. We'll undo those and see what's inside. And we've got this filter, which is in there. We've got a little filter, and we've got a HEPA flow in there, which is nice. Nice little HEPA flow with some dirt in it. Nice, lovely. Leave the dirt in there for me, why don't you? And probably infest my house with whatever is in your house. So that is loose. And it is a MAXVAX vacuum cleaner, MAXVAX Limited, Martox Somerset. So it is related to pneumatic in some way, but yeah, it's very weird. So let's just turn it on quickly. Before we do that, let's just check this. Actually, no, I can't be bothered to check the plug. Let's just leave the plug and leave it like that, and then let's turn it on quick. So we plug it into the RCD, and here we go. So that runs very smoothly, so, you know. So let's take this apart, because apparently this has the same motor as Ryan's NV2. Let me just go, I've not got the right tools for this at all. So, you know, but they work. It works to some degree. Let's just take the lid off. That might help actually. But yeah, it's quite light as well. Let's take it off. It feels very weird. It does. It feels very thin and cheap, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this cable's original either, so we'll be getting a new black cable. I don't think it would have had an orange cable. So yeah, here we go, and it's actually got a pneumatic DAF in there. Yeah, yeah, you can't see this, hang on. Let's just take this off. It's actually got a pneumatic DAF in it. So there's that in there. It's got this kind of bit of sponge around it, which is falling to pieces. But yeah, that has got a DAF in it. A pneumatic DAF motor. So that's cool. So how do we get this off then? Aha, these just twist. These just twist out, I think. So, you know. Yeah, it's definitely a pneumatic of this. Yeah. So, yeah, this is very, very weird. Very cheap feeling as well. This supposedly comes out there, but yeah, you can see the holes in the motor. It bolts into these things bolt actually into the motor fan case. So yeah, so I'm gonna actually put this back together now because I can't be bothered to take it apart. But yeah, it's got a pneumatic DAF in it. These are like the 90s style of DAF. So you know, that's cool. Yeah. So it does need a new motor. I'll put a new, not new motor, new cable, but that one will be left on there for the time being. But yeah, this is very, very weird how it's put together. It's very, well, it is quite pneumatic related. So, you know, yeah, I quite like this though. It's very cool, very, very cool. And then this kind of bit of sponge just kind of wraps around the motor, thing like that. Like so, and then you can just see how thin the plastic is. It's so thin, but yeah, it's very weird. Literally, the thermal cutout is literally just dangling in the bit of casing, and that just like plugs in with this little thing. But yeah, that is very, very weird. And we'll take this apart just to see if this cable's original. But for now, we're just going to plonk it back together. Of course, so you know, it's got a pneumatic DAF in it. It hasn't got a date on it or anything, so you know, but it could be 1990 because there's that sticker underneath which may suggest so. But yeah, that goes on there. It can go in there like that. And that goes. Yeah, this is very, very weird. This one. At least there isn't no suppressors to worry about, which is good because that is the only wiring that is in the machine. If you can get the top back on, that is. So that goes on there. Let's just twist this around a bit. Right, like that. But yeah, it's just a cheaply made Henry, really. What I might even do is I might even see if a Henry lid fits. Well, it fits on a Henry base. But yeah, it's quite cool though to have. Literally, the exhaust is just holes drilled into the plastic surround. It's like so cheap feeling. But I like it. I do really like it. So. We'll put this back together and we'll give it another go. That goes on there. That goes on there. And see, you just hear motor thing just rattling about on the inside. That's it. So there's a sticker on the side here. What does this say? It says something about fake cutout, but yeah, this thing just rattles about on the inside. It's just so cheaply made. So let's just like that. So we'll put the lid back on. But yeah, it looks very much like an MV2. It's probably the closest thing I'll probably get to an MV2, if I'm honest. Just the switch on the top and everything, so MV2 like. But yeah, let's just put this hose on, which is actually a fake version of like the generic 80s hose. I've actually got one. But yeah, Henry tools will fit this. And there's a bit of dirt on the floor as well, which you can pick up. But yeah, I quite like this. It's very cool. So yeah, and these are definitely the original tools, I reckon. Well, that was a 35mm floor tool then. No, it's just a normal 32mm. So let's just go and plug this back in, and we'll give it a go. So here we go. Very powerful. Yeah, I do like that. It's really cool. Just move that like that so it's straight. But yeah, that is really cool. And that is a cool little, well, it's quite a cool little addition to the collection as well. I thought it would be all metal, to be fair with you, but it is all plastic, and I've just realised there's nowhere to actually store the cable apart from around the top, wrapping it around the top like this. So that's something I'll have to do, or tucking it through the handle. I'll probably tuck it through the handle just to keep it looking cool. Yeah, this orange cable will have to go. I don't like orange cables on VAX. Well, some VAX will suit it. I mean, I've got a VAX thing that I got from school literally like half hour ago today, but that's meant to have an orange cable on it. But you know, but yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. That is very cool. All plastic jobby, and it will look quite cool when it's polished up as well. So yeah, there we go. That's it. There we go. There's the MAXVAX. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.